Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying the obvious network and server signals. Check Epic Games status and any official outage notices so you don't chase a server-side problem. Then restart the Fortnite client and the platform you're on. This clears temporary cache and session tokens. Next, power cycle your router and modem, unplug for 30 seconds, plug back in, and wait until lights stabilize. Once done, try reconnecting to confirm whether the issue persists or you cleared a local connection fault. Now you dig into network and account configuration because many offline errors come from DNS or NAT issues. Flush your DNS cache and temporarily switch to a reliable DNS like 8, 8, 8, 8 or 1, 1, 1, 1 to resolve name lookups faster. Then check your NAT type. If it's strict, open the Fortnite ports on your router or enable UPnP to allow smoother peer and server connections. Finally, confirm your Epic account authentication. Unlink and relink a console account only if login tokens are failing. To finish, fix any corrupted game files or client issues by verifying files through the launcher or reinstalling Fortnite. This resolves file-level errors blocking server handshakes. Then test using a different device or a mobile hotspot to determine if the problem is local or account server related. If the game remains offline, collect error messages, timestamps, and logs. Make sure to note what you already tried. That way, when you contact Epic support, you speed up resolution. And one key tip: try a mobile hotspot first to rule out your ISP.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.